Hey guys, it's Matt, welcome to SpeedTutor and welcome to Made with Unity Mondays for the 23rd of January 2023, where I feature some of the best games, creations and everything made in Unity. And be sure to check out my Patreon to get access to over 175 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And check out all the links in the description for the best sales, savings and so much more. We've got Samurai's game, which has got awesome look at the spirit of the samurai. Vigo game has a VR game where you can clash with players that are playing on PC too. IcoDev 3D has turned Unity's boat attack template into a fun bike park extravaganza. Plumpman has got Hole-in-One, which is his newest game, out on Steam. Exabil has ported Doom directly into the Unity Inspector. Humblebird Studios have got their multiplayer game called Snowball, in which you make a growing snowball to knock out your friends. Sleeves Without Arms has made a famous vine into the perfect video game. Bushel M has been working on a prototype volumetric ocean system and it looks quite incredible. Space Lizard Studios have created thousands of drawings to create their game in an entirely paper world. M_Hakazaki has got a new and improved water acoustics effect for URP in Unity. Soup-Masters has got a trailer for his Punch-Out inspired game. Project Delivery has got an awesome looking creation tool directly on Steam called My Dream Setup. Ioma Studio has got a tablet with a beautiful sense of depth. Jamie Nimmo has got fluid effects and a tool where you can create beautiful looking latte art. SpeedTutor has got Mobile Rain Simulator, which is an app which is a current work in progress. Felix has just released some extra footage of the awesome boss fighting. August Hackinson has got a taste of a game when you can blend 2D and 3D pixel art directly together. So be sure to check out all these awesome creations along with all the amazing sales and discounts in the description. And be sure to come and check out my Patreon to get access to over 175 different scripts, assets and projects you cannot find anywhere else. And also check out my great assets on the Unity store along with massive savings on my website. And a big thank you to all my patrons including Peter Steiner, Raheem Whitaker, Manos Berikas, Walter Dunson, Rene Leisure, Alyssa Faden, Daniel Getajank, Ishikawa Takuya, Hush, Thomas Merceleski, Callum Murray, Mark Rondu, Marvin Church, Hoglan Naiguyen, Thomas Lopez, Curry for Life Gaming, Sungji Park, Brandon Mannion, Austin Certain, Jean Winequaint, Duan Cooper, Johanna Lixon, Leslie Winter, Heather Fletcher, Connor Drose, Mark Vacan, Jose Herrera, Andre Ferreira, Laren 2, Patrick Domanowski, Dylan C, Pablo, Liam Gray, Eric Young, Wyblin Lin, and Dennis Foreman. And thank you to all the rest of the amazing people for coming to watch this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Cheers.